Hi, Sack here. Now, as you want me to say, I want to get toy dog for Christmas. By the way, I ordered it for $9.90 on Turbo Squid. Maybe I can see my soft toy animal. You wanna see it? Oh, would you look at that? It's a toy dog. I love my stuffed animal. It's a good thing I can cuddle, hug, and squeeze. Was that cool? Right. Looks like it's fun. Now, you can leave a like and comment on this video if you like my soft toy dog. Alright, I'll see you on the next video. Hee hee.